Sledgehammer or core hammer squat with an overhead press is a pretty simple option you can provide your group training sessions if you're working out with the Sledgehammer or the MostFit Core Hammer. Start your client or athlete in a hammer grip position, bottom hand over, top hand under. Have the client or athlete then squat down low enough to touch that top elbow to the knee. This exercise adds an obvious stability challenge while challenging the shoulder or the glutes. It's an easy addition to any circuit or even a private training session.